Most Christmas gifts lose value the moment they're unwrapped. This year, what if your gift grew in value instead? In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift stocks and ETFs for Christmas even if you're a complete beginner, plus the best stocks and ETFs to gift in 2025 that can actually build long-term wealth. Whether you're buying for a spouse, a child, a friend, or even yourself, this is your complete holiday investing gifts guide. Let's turn Christmas presents into future net worth. Here's why stock and ETF gifts are one of the smartest Christmas presents you can give. First, they're long-term gifts, unlike gadgets or clothes. Stocks and ETFs can compound for decades. Second, they're educational. Gifting an investment teaches financial literacy and ownership, which is especially powerful for kids and young adults. Third, they're personalizable. You can gift companies or ETFs that match someone's interests: tech, healthcare, clean energy, or even global markets. And finally, they're accessible. You don't need thousands of dollars. Many platforms allow fractional share gifting, meaning you can start with as little as $25 or $50. That's why searches like Best Investing Gifts, Stock Gifting Guide Christmas, and Money Gifts for Investors spike every December. Let's break down exactly how to gift wealth this Christmas. Option 1. Stock gifting platforms. Some brokerages allow you to gift stocks directly. You choose the stock or ETF, the amount, and the recipient receives it in their brokerage account. This is one of the easiest ways to gift stocks for Christmas. Option 2. Fractional shares. You don't need to buy a full share of Amazon or Apple. Fractional shares allow you to gift dollar amounts instead of whole shares, perfect for budget-friendly investing gifts. Option 3. Custodial accounts for kids. If you're gifting to a child, a custodial investment account lets you invest on their behalf until they reach adulthood. This is one of the best Christmas gifts for children if you want to give them a financial head start. And option 4. ETF-focused gifting. ETFs are ideal for beginners because they offer instant diversification. One ETF can hold hundreds or even thousands of companies. That's why ETFs are often the best investing gifts for beginners. Now let's talk about specific stock gift ideas. These aren't hype plays, they're long-term, wealth-building companies. First, Apple. Apple remains one of the most widely held stocks in the world. Strong cash flow, loyal customers, and a growing services business make it a great long-term gift. Second, Microsoft. Microsoft benefits from cloud computing, AI, and enterprise software. It's a solid choice for anyone interested in technology and innovation. Third, Johnson & Johnson. If you want stability, healthcare stocks like Johnson & Johnson offer dividends and resilience. And fourth, Visa. Visa benefits from global spending trends and digital payments, a great long-term financial growth gift. These types of stocks make excellent Christmas investment gifts because they're easy to understand and build for longevity. If you want lower risk and broader exposure, ETFs are your best friend. Here are some of the best ETFs to gift this Christmas. First, an S&P 500 ETF. This gives exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies. It's one of the most popular ETFs for long-term investors and beginners alike. Second, a total market ETF. Instead of just large companies, this ETF covers the entire U.S. stock market. It's perfect for someone who wants set-it-and-forget-it investing. Third, an international ETF. This adds exposure to global markets outside the U.S., increasing diversification. And fourth, a dividend ETF. Dividend ETFs pay regular income, making them great gifts for parents or retirees. ETFs like these dominate searches for best investing gifts 2025 and gift ideas for financial growth. You might be wondering how much is enough. The truth is, consistency beats amount. $50 invested early can grow massively over time. $100 is more than enough to start. Even $25 can introduce someone to investing. The goal isn't to impress, it's to plant a financial seed. That's why investment gifting works so well during Christmas and New Year. Before you gift stocks or ETFs this Christmas, remember, stick to long-term investments, use ETFs for beginners, focus on education, not hype. And always think in decades, not days. If you found this holiday stock and ETF gifts guide helpful, hit the like button. It helps more people learn how to gift wealth instead of clutter. Subscribe to Money Momentum for simple investing advice that actually works, and comment below. You were gifting a stock or ETF this Christmas. Which one would you choose? I'll see you in the next video.